Hey, you wanted to talk, right? You want to talk? Hi. Yeah. What else? You don't say. What else? You told me that already. What else you got? Uh-huh. Want to say hello to Grandma and Grandpa and Auntie Curly? Hello. Hello. Oh, that's exciting, isn't it? Hi. Okay. Is his name Marley? Can you say Marley? Marley. Marley Bean. Hi. Hello. Yeah. What's this here? You wanna play it? Mm-hmm. How do you play that? It's a rattle. You shake it. Uh-huh. Yeah, there you go. That's how it works. Yeah, good job. You dig it, huh? Hello. You're so serious all of a sudden. Huh? Whoops. Is that right? You don't say. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.